YouTube family, how's everybody doing today? I hope great. Excuse the roughness, like literally. I just woke up, brushed my teeth, and put on some clothes. But anyways, I didn't even have my coffee yet. It's getting ready to brew. But anyways, I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's the Fix All Adhesive, and I just wanted to see if it really works. It says it works great on rubber, wood, and metal. And the the drawer, the front of my drawer on my dresser has fallen like completely apart, and I'm not ready to buy a new dresser just yet. And so I just want to see if I can have a temporary fix by gluing it back together. I tried hot glue does not work, and so I'm gonna see if this works. And yeah, so let's find out together. All right, so it says to apply the glue to both surfaces that's going to be glued together, and let it dry for 10 minutes and then press the pieces together. So I put glue on this part. I put some glue up here on this part. It definitely has a smell. All right, so we've done that part. And like I said, it's set to let it dry for 10 minutes and press parts together. For maximum strength is achieved in 24 hours. Okay. So you gotta let it sit for 24 hours. So yeah, we're gonna let it do that. Alright guys, so I've glued all the pieces that I needed to glue together. Now it's time to see. It's dry, and as you can see, I can pick it up and it didn't fall apart. Nice. So it seems like it's gonna hold together just fine, because when I tried the hot glue method and when I would go to pull on this, the whole thing would fall apart. It's a temporary fix until I am able to get me a new dresser. And I did put hot glue in the corners to hold it still while the super glue, all-purpose glue, was drying completely. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, share, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Be sure to follow me on all my other social media outlets. And until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique.